It's a part to this one, guys. So I still need to repeat again. And I put some of here, this guys. This is a mix. Fruits, dragon fruit, pineapple. So I put some this one milk. Guys, it's a 2%. So it's about time now to pour it. So it's really colorful, guys.